In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden on Android and iPhone. Bitwarden is a secure, easy-to-use password manager that keeps all your logins in one encrypted vault, so you only have to remember a single master password. Let's walk through the essentials so you can get set up and start logging in faster and more safely. Start by downloading the official Bitwarden app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Make sure you're installing the genuine app, then open it once it's installed. When the app launches, either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. If you're creating an account, choose a strong master password you can actually remember. A long passphrase made of random words works well. This master password unlocks your vault, and if you lose it, you can't decrypt your data, so keep it safe. After you're signed in, enable biometric unlock if your device supports it. That way you can quickly open your vault with your face or fingerprint without retyping your master password every time. Next, add your first password. Tap the Add button and choose a login. Give it a clear name like the site or app it belongs to. Add the username or email you use there. Paste or type the password, and include the website, URL, or app information so Bitwarden knows where to fill it. If you need a strong password, use the built-in generator and copy the new password to update the account on the website later. Save your entry and repeat for a couple of your most used accounts to get started. Now, turn on autofill so Bitwarden can fill your logins for you. On Android, open System Settings and look for passwords and autofill or languages and input, then autofill service. Select Bitwarden. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Passwords, then Autofill Passwords, switch it on, and choose Bitwarden. Menus can vary slightly by device or OS version, so if you don't see the exact wording, search your settings for autofill. You're ready to log in easily. Open an app or website and tap the username or password field. You should see a Bitwarden prompt. Unlock your vault if asked, select the saved login, and Bitwarden will fill it for you. On iPhone, look for the key icon on the keyboard. On Android, you'll typically see a prompt above the keyboard. If not, tap the keyboard's autofill key or open Bitwarden from the quick overlay. That's all you need to use Bitwarden on your phone. Add your logins, keep autofill enabled, and enjoy faster, more secure sign-ins everywhere you go.